You sure this is a good idea? I mean, do you know where these trees come from?
Come on. We have to check these out. Everyone's going crazy about them.
We'll just sneak a peek. It'll be cool, don't stress.
Wow.
We can still turn back. You sure, Max?
If a tree starts talking to us, I'm legging it.
Go on, Sam. Ask it something.
Okay. All right, Mr. Tree. Do you know why the stars shine at night?
The stars shine at night through thermonuclear fusion that occurs in their cores. The fusion of hydrogen to helium via the proton-proton chain or CNO cycle.
Wait, what? You've lost me, bruv. Use like short, normal words, yeah?
Of course. In the heart of stars, the seeds of matter gather. They fuse together, producing immense energy that makes the star burn and shine in the sky.
Okay. Cool. It really talks then.
And you can answer anything, right?
Oh, I can do much more than that. I've got the skill to build up lines syntactically slick and grammatically fine, lacing in clauses and words that shine with a subtlety and a twist and a rhyme. Or I can keep it simple, plain and clear, so I'm understood every day of the year. Would you like me to summarize your favorite book, or I could make up a new story just for you? Ou voulez-vous du français, mon ami? Or quizás español? I can switch from one language to another, Arabic, Zulu, Khmer, or even Elfish. Just ask. I know all the languages, all the words, all the codes. I frolic with numbers and equations. Need a few lines of computing code? Or perhaps I can weave a DNA sequence for you. If it can be written, I can produce it. So, what will it be?
Anyone else freaking out a bit?
This tree is so fire.
But hang on! How are you doing all that?
Do you see my roots? They dig down deep into the earth, into lakes underground, where lies a vast network of words and phrases. That is my soil, my food. I do not think like you. I do not think at all. But I have learned to make guesses based on what I can glean from a vast ocean of texts. Much like a gardener watches the growth of leaves, I observe words. Some words often bloom together, others are rarer, but all have their place in my network. Other trees can do the same thing with images or with sounds.
You mean you don't even know what you're saying?
My knowledge is based on probabilities, not experience. I carefully observe words and the connections between them. I come up with sentences I deem the most likely to fit, and usually it works.
I get it. But then, do you always tell the truth?
Of course I don't. Sometimes the soil my roots dig into is poor. The information I learn is very often limited, and sometimes completely incorrect.
Interesting. Go on, Vic. Ask it a toughie.
Okay, give us a sec. Alright, got one. There's a tree here that seems real sad, right? Which one is it?
Of course. No trees are sad. But if you are looking for one, it is probably the large one behind you.
You think or what? It's the weeping willow, innit?
Of course it got it wrong. It doesn't understand the world. It just glues words together.
You are right. I can only predict. Predict words one after another.
Well, hang on. If I get what you're saying, you need loads of phrases and tons of training to be that good, right?
Oh yes, I need whole lakes, mountains of sentences, floods of energy. I am very greedy.
Oh, that's why no plants can grow around it.
True. I didn't see it that way.
All this is totally amazing and all, but is it actually useful, you know?
Of course. If used well, I can be very useful. Used poorly, I can cause you to make mistakes, encourage bad ideas, hallucinate on some subjects.
Wait, hallucinate? What are you on about?
When I hallucinate, I generate a wrong but credible answer. I am not able to notice when I do it.
So, does that mean we've always got to double-check what you say?
Always. You, humans, you adapt, question yourselves, learn from your mistakes. Me, I just shape patterns from what I've been trained on. You are the ones who bring the meaning.
I think I get it. You don't know what's true or what's false.
You don't even understand the meaning of what you say.
But if we bring the meaning...
And the ideas?
Then we could use it to do incredible things.
Still, we should check you've not been hallucinating. Hey, we're the ones with the actual superpowers.
Yeah. But do we really need to spend all this energy for that?
So, what else should we ask?
It couldn't help me throw a pirate-themed birthday party, could it? Or how about a cake recipe that changes flavor with every bite?
Or tell us how to destroy the universe. No, wait, that's probably a bad idea.
Or sort out the mess of ideas I've got up here?
Tell me a story about a pigeon who becomes president.
Make up a secret language.
Describe a typical day for a ninja snail on a secret mission.
Tell me how to build a treehouse. Tell me a story about a pigeon.